Did you know Python wasn't named after the snake? It's actually a nod to the British comedy group Monty Python. When Guido van Rossum created Python in the late 1980s, he wanted a name that was short, unique, and a bit playful. He was a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus, so the name stuck. That's why you'll find quirky references to Monty Python throughout Python documentation, like spam, eggs, and knights who say, nay. So, next time you're writing Python code, remember, it's got comedy in its DNA. Keep coding, and keep it fun.